Hello everyone, and welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at Honk, the Miguel Camino Pity from the World Grand Prix series with the bonus collector card. So we can take a look at the back of the box real quick, and we can see Lewis Hamilton, Nigel Gearsley, Shu Todoroki, and Francesco Bernoulli. And as in the last video, or the last review of Petra Carolina, it's the same description. The World Grand Prix will determine who is the fastest car in the world. Hope you guys get that reference. So without further ado, let's get him out of the box. You know, I'm getting kind of tired of this tape from Mattel. The glue seems to be pretty good. I just don't get the point of all this tape. I have to take it off because I'm trying to streamline these reviews so they're not so lengthy. So I got the collector card out, and here's the card. Honk himself. And, oh geez, those almost went flying. The tires. Let's angle the camera down a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Here is Honk with his tires and the cart, which has Miguel Camino's logo on the back, the Spanish. Yeah, it's the Spanish flag, excuse me, there. With the World Grand Prix logo. And Honk and his set of tires, which just almost roll away. So, there's Honk with the way Mattel wants you to put the tires in, which is kind of silly. I don't get why they can't move the forks a little bit closer together so that these stay in really well. And I'm actually going to talk about these tires for a minute. So, one, if you know Miguel Camino's tires or wheels, they're not yellow. They're even more like Petra Carolina's tires and wheels and tires. They're also not Lightyear because only the Piston Cup racers use Lightyear tires. So this is really dumb. I don't know why they couldn't have just made a plastic mold of Miguel's tires. But I'm not Mattel. And I'm not lazy like they are a lot of the time. So let's take a look at Honk himself. He has a nice expression. He's got a little bit of a smudge on his eyes. He's got headphones but no microphone. And he's got some really cool detailing on both sides. As you can see here. And on the bottom he's got all the legal jargon. It looks like he's just held together with a Phillips head screwdriver. Maybe that's an experiment for another video. We'll have to see. Let me know. I'll put a little poll up here in the top right hand corner if you'd want to see that. So, and I'll just keep taking a look around. He's really cool, and I really like that they've released these two in the same case because you can get them at the same time, and then hopefully they keep doing that with the other World Grand Prix racers that come out this year. So I'm going to move him off to the side and Petro to talk about these collector cards. So this is the one that comes with Petra Carolina, and this is the one that comes with Honk. So I've been trying to see if there's any correlation between these two, but I can't seem to find one. I don't know if I've talked about this in I don't think I ever mentioned this in my Sally review or the Petra Carolina review, but I really like the rainbowy reflective on the back. So I don't know. I don't understand, had they planned? Are they, maybe Miguel will come out and he'll have another collector card and these three can sort of fit together. That would be pretty cool. but I don't know if Mattel would do that. So before I get them mixed up, I'm going to put Petro back with his. I'm going to bring Honk Cho back out. And we'll put the tires there, and whoops. And they still don't go on. And I'd like to take this time to thank you all for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And check out my Twitter and Instagram pages if you haven't. Maybe you found me through one of those. It'd be pretty cool. And I would like to thank you all once again for watching, and stay tuned for more. Goodbye.